Come on. You're not doing enough.
Oh, shit, man.
So you want me to bark, meow?
Give me a high five.
Give me a high five.
Dinosaur.
This is a lot.
That's his best impression, by the way. Yeah. The fingers, bro.
Lion.
That's actually what lions sound like.
They do. True, yeah, true.
Fox.
I don't know what I expected. How was your flight?
How was your flight?
Human.
What'd you say?
Where you coming from?
I'm from Ohio, but my ethnicity is Portugal.
Ohio.
From Ohio, though.
Makes a lot of sense.
Ask her a favourite animal.
Well, all right, bet. What's your favorite animal?
Dolphin.
Do it. Do it.
The noise.
That was so cold.
Okay, human.
So meaningful.
Ask her if this turns around.
Oh, Vic-Riz.
Does it turn around? What? You feel me?
What'd you say?
Does it turn around?
A dolphin. Does it turn around? Does what turn around?
Just say if you know, you know.
If you know, you know. Not even gonna say too much.
Penguin. It's gritty.
Are you possessed? Oh no. Here's a lot.
Human.
Calm down, all right? Just calm down.
I'm calm.
Relax. Like, what's up with you?
Hey, what's up with you?
Pikachu.
Are you okay? Oh,
This kid is not right in the head.
relax, you know?
Alright, try and get the number.
If he gets this number, it's crazy.
All right, bro. You know, okay. Can I get your number?
Are you gonna keep doing that?